my friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 8th episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series 2024. Are you looking for a simple and easy last-minute drink to serve for your Christmas dinner? Well, I got the perfect drink for y'all. Today, I'm going to share with y'all a homemade cranberry lemonade. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make, the bomb.com delicious, and the best part, we're going to use pure, natural cranberry. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. It will quench up your thirst, and you'll be going back for seconds. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Cranberry Orange Bread. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your pitcher, your fresh cranberries, and juice up those lemons, sugar, because we're about to make some cranberry lemonade magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our lemons. I have 3 large lemons. We need a half a cup of fresh lemon juice. So we're going to roll it, and rolling it will give it a nice juicier lemon. Now we're going to cut it in half and squeeze it into our measuring cup. And I'm using my mesh strainer to catch the seeds. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish squeezing the rest of my lemons, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through squeezing my lemons, and it gave us exactly a half a cup of fresh lemon juice. Perfect. And over here in my colander, I have 2 cups of fresh cranberries that I rinsed, and I removed the bad ones. We are ready to cook them. We're going to pour the cranberries into my medium saucepan, and I have my fire over low heat. And over here, I have 1 cup of white sugar, and we're going to pour in half in the cranberries. And give it a stir until it's well incorporated. And the cranberries have softened, and you want to stir it occasionally. And as soon as the cranberries have softened, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, the cranberries have softened. See? That looks great. And it smells so good. Love the smell of cranberries cooking. All right, so now it's time to add in the rest of our sugar. Stir that in and let it continue to cook until the sugar completely dissolves. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, the sugar has completely dissolved. And look at that beautiful red color. So now our cranberries are done, and I cut my fire off. We are ready to strain it. We're going to pour it into my measuring cup using my mesh strainer. And we're going to stir it, squeezing it to get rid of the excess pulp. All right, my friends, I am through straining my cranberries. Beautiful, fresh cranberry juice. Nothing but pure, natural goodness. So now we're going to pour it into our pitcher. And into our cranberry juice, we're going to add in our fresh lemon juice. Next, we're going to add in 6 cups of cold water. And to give it a little extra flavor, I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of pure lemon extract. And I'm going to add in a little bit more sugar. And give it a quick stir until it's well blended. Alright, let me give my lemonade a quick taste to see if it needs any more sugar. Oh, that's good. Excellent. So now our cranberry lemonade is ready to serve. So I'm about to get my mason jars ready, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I've got my mason jars right here, and I filled them up with ice. So we're going to pour some lemonade. Now we're going to garnish it with a lemon slice. Add some fresh cranberries and 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Fresh cranberry lemonade. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Has a nice tart balance. Sweet, crisp, refreshing. This cranberry lemonade is spot on incredible, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Cranberry lemonade delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. Cheers!